Good morning. It is Sunday, 10:30, almost 10:40 actually. I turned the app on about 5 minutes ago. Got bombarded with Walmart deliveries and a Smart and Final delivery with 19 items. No, thank you. And a Target delivery. I've never seen that on Doordash before. It was 30 something items for like $17. That could take a really long time. I'm not that much of a professional at Target. So anyways, decided not to do that. Got a bunch of low orders and I finally got one. It's $17.25 for, it's about 4.5 miles. I think 4.3 is what it said. So I took that one. It's from this place called the Waffle Experience, which is kind of scaring me. Last time I went there, they said it was gonna be like an hour wait. So I might have to turn this one back in. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a shot. This is only the second one I've accepted from them. Like I said, the first one was, but that was when they first opened. So I'm kind of hoping that they've got their act together and they're a little bit better at getting the orders out, but we'll see. So that'll be a good start. It's going to a little bit of a sketchy area, but it's 10:30 in the morning, so hopefully the people that loiter around there will be still sleeping. Who knows? So anyways, it's not a bad area. There's just there's a lot of apartments, so there's a lot of people always hanging out like on the sidewalk and stuff, and it's just kind of, yeah. I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine if I end up getting the food. That's the first thing, but whatever. $17, this will be a good start, get me going. Yeah, that was weird. I must have gotten, I don't know, 4 or 5 Walmart offers in a row, and they all had multiple deliveries. 3, 5, you know, whatever. And when you average it out, it comes to like $5 a delivery. And I just not gonna do it. First of all, I don't think I have enough room in my car for all those orders. I don't want to worry about trying to keep it all separated. It's just not worth it. And I don't even know how long it takes to get this stuff. So anyways, no thank you. I would just rather do food. It's just easier. Run in, get it, and go. La-di-da, this light's red. Anyways, today 78 degrees right now. I think it's going to be kind of a warm one, which I actually like. I don't want it to be 100 or anything, but I like it warm. I think that's it. So I'll keep you posted, let you know how this goes. Okay, I dropped off that one. It was a $10 tip, came to $18. Took me like 20 minutes. Awesome. $7.25 for a 4.6 mile. No, thank you. That was a El Pollo Loco, which I actually like. El Pollo Loco is usually ready, but it's a long distance for a low amount of money, so it's not gonna happen. But anyways, so started off good. I got 18 bucks. I've been at this totally for about 25 minutes. It's 10:58 right now. I started about 10:35, I think. Let's see, $16 Doghouse. Oh, that's going very far. Oh, 11.5 miles. Not gonna take that. So, that waffle place, the food was ready, which was nice. I did have to wait in line to pick it up. They had quite a few people trying to get a table, but that was fine. And there's no people loitering out here at the condo area, so that was awesome. Everything was great. Okay, so I'm gonna head back this direction. I'm not sure what time things open on Sunday. Probably 11. So regular stuff should start opening up before 11. Before things are open, I usually try to hang out where there's some breakfast areas, obviously. 650. No, thank you. It's only 1.8 miles, but 650. And it's Subway. Okay, let's see. So, see if I end up getting anything. I'm over here by the mall. Like I said, I don't know what time things open. On Sundays, it's kind of hit or miss. My hair is blowing my face, kind of driving me crazy. I'm gonna go back over here where I know there's some breakfasty kind of places. Oh, not that far away, so it's not a big deal. Oh, anyway, so that's it for today. No, just kidding. Well, hopefully not. Hopefully I'm kidding. Okay, I just accepted a $17 double from Badass Breakfast Burritos, which is a virtual restaurant inside of a dog house, which is a hot dog place. And right next door at Urbane Cafe, going to the same neighborhood. So let's see how this goes. Breakfast burrito place is going to be the one that won't be ready, if there is one that's not going to be ready. They are very hit or miss, but we'll try to get another $17. See how it goes. I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. So anyways, I'm gonna head over there. They're the next. I'm gonna hop on right here on the freeway. It's the next one, very quick. And the houses are maybe 3 miles from there. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, dropped off that double. It is now, what time is it? 11:26. I don't know. So it took 26 minutes, I guess. It came to $19. I think it was said it was gonna be $17. So it came to $19, which was nice. And then now I have an Uber Eats for $17 to pick up some juice from a juice place, and the delivery is 5 point something miles. So hopefully it'll be ready. This place is kind of slow. It's very popular. I wouldn't say that it's slow. It's busy. But the stuff hopefully should be ready. I'll just have to wait in line. They make you wait in line to pick things up, so it's kind of annoying, but it's okay. So it's juice. Hopefully not, it doesn't look like a lot of juice. I didn't look too closely at the order, but they had avocado toast and a couple juices, I think.
Make a left turn.
Oops. Never had this happen before. So I'm on my way to a Uber Eats. I picked up the food. I was waiting for the food to be ready. It was ready. They were bagging it up. But anyways, so I'm waiting there, and Uber Eats goes to offer an add-on for $14 or something like that for like 9 point something miles. I mean, that's not great, but that's not the problem. The problem was that it was completely the opposite end of town. It's almost like a Grubhub sort of trick. I don't know. I didn't take it, obviously, but so I was picking up in like Central Thousand Oaks, and I'm delivering over here way on the west end of Newbury Park, which is, I mean, I'm going west. So then the second pickup was east of where I was by like 3 or 4 miles, and driving even way more east. So that customer is going to see me going all the way west. I don't know. It's dumb. I didn't take it. That's just a bad idea all around. I'm not sure why they would even offer it, to be honest. Here is a Presto Pasta. $14 for 14.4 miles. And here, 14 miles is far. I mean, 14 miles is 14 miles, but some of these distances take you off into a totally different city. And you're not going to be able to get anything to come back. So I know DoorDash says they do now. I've never had it happen. But I don't take those really far ones anyways. It's just not worth it to me. Anyways, I'm pulling into this complex here. I have to wait in line for this gate to get in. So I'm going to come back later and let you know how this went. I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, well, DoorDash just chumped me a little bit. Anyways, I just picked up a Farmer Boys It's 11:50, and it said for 2-point-something miles. I didn't even look at the map. I should have. Anyways, it is 8.8 miles. I just got in my car. So that was kind of nasty of them. My fault. Didn't look at the map. I don't know what I was thinking. I just didn't even. Anyways, so now I'm going 8 miles for this $11, or $11.50, whatever it was. Kind of is not cool, but oh well. Not the end of the world. I've made decent money
in
today.
4 miles.
I have no idea how much I made. It was like 17 something plus 37 plus 11.50 for this one. That's how much I've done in about an hour and a half. So not bad, whatever it is. 30 is 54 plus this one will be 11, so 60. So that's not bad. 65 for an hour and a half. Why am I complaining? I'm doing good. Let's hope it keeps up. It's a gorgeous day. Well, it's already 84 outside. I like it. I know a lot of people think this is really hot and unbearable, but I enjoy it. So people are probably going to the beach. It's the last day of spring break for the school district here. So people are probably just doing one last fun thing today, and the kids have to go back to school tomorrow. I miss spring break. That used to be fun. I used to work for the school district, so I got to have all those fun times off too. When my kids were off, I was off, so that was nice. Okay, so I dropped off that 11.51 to that house. It was not a big deal. It was a nice, quick, easy drop off. And then I got a 8.90 something one for Taco Bell, which was basically right there, delivering 1.2 miles or something. I took that because it took me right back down here where all the stuff is. So picked it up, it was ready, dropped it off, super easy. I don't like to take those low ones, but it brought me where I wanted to go, and I felt like it would hopefully be a quick one, and it was. So, and now I am going in here to pick up a Carl's Jr. This one is $10.75, I believe. It's a Doordash. Going 2-point-something miles. It's not going far. It's right going basically down closer to where the main mall area is. So hopefully this will be ready. It said I had to go in the drive-thru, so now I'm in the drive-thru, so I'll let you go. Okay, well, I just delivered 2. I think I've told you about everything else. I had a Daphne's. Oh God, how much was that one? I can't remember how much. $13, $14 maybe. Very short delivery. Didn't take me very long at all. It was maybe, well, 2 off ramps off the freeways. Then a Nook for $10. Went up 2-point-something miles. Just dropped that one off. Can't remember what was before that. I think I told you about everything else. Oh, the Carl's Jr. was canceled. So I didn't get anything. I contacted support, and they said I would get half pay. I don't know, so we'll see. Didn't show up yet, but I don't know. Whatever. So that was $10.75, so I'll get like $5. But anyways, I was right there, so I didn't drive very far to get to Carl's. So even if I get $5, it's fine. I think that was all I had that I had not talked about yet. I had to change the battery in the GoPro, so I was kind of putting that off because I have to take it off the mount and everything. So yeah, I think now you're all caught up. It's 1:24. I have no idea how much I have. I have $58.50 on DoorDash. And Uber Eats, I have not gotten I've only gotten one tip. So I have $30.32 so far, but 2 more tips are coming. So who knows what that's going to be. But regardless, doing good. It's been 11:30, 12, 3 hours. So not bad. Just had another weird thing with DoorDash. $12.50 Jersey Mike's, and then at the end I got paid $8.50. I'm not sure where the other $4 went. Oh, I don't know. I took a gap, went to the Five Below. I just ran around a couple places, and then I turned it back on thinking, oh, maybe I'll get one, and I took that one. Oh well, it was very close. It was not like a long drive I had to go, but that's not the point. Don't tell me $12.50, and then when the pay comes, it's $8.50. I would not have taken it for $8.50. 2 big bags of Jersey Mike sandwiches. Oh well. I'm done. So I'm going to turn the apps off. I'm going home and learn my lesson. Although I keep looking, which is so dumb. Oh, this one's far. 9.8 miles for $13. There's a lot of traffic right now. The freeways are packed. So, you know, if a real quick one shows up before I get home, that's, you know, a nice close distance and better than this one. 3.8 miles for $7. I'll take it, but I'm gonna be home in like 10 minutes, so I don't think it's gonna happen. But otherwise, I'm just gonna be done. I'll summarize everything for you up here, and yeah, that'll be it. I hope you enjoyed our little morning together. I felt like it was a pretty good day, and I'm happy. I mean, that last one kind of pissed me off, but oh well. It's fine. At least it was $8, not like $4. It was $8.50. Anyways, hope you're doing well, making lots of money, having fun. We will see you later.